cause I know too many. Risha, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
What's up, guys? Oh, being rough.
I'm about to whoop your head off.
They go blood.
Turn around.
Ooh. Start off with code, ma'am.
Do that. No, I ain't gonna start.
Start off with code.
I'm gonna end with code. Wait a minute now. Raise up. You're putting the towel in here. This is supposed to be your cushion. What y'all know about getting y'all hair washed in the sink?
Everything.
I don't know why she want to start off with
That
cold
feels
water.
so good.
You need to open up the hair shaft, so you don't want to start off with cold.
You always want to start off with cold.
I said no.
Did you switch it?
Yes, I'm gonna switch it. Micaiah, don't do that.
I don't like hot.
Well, they're trying to.
No, he got a piece today.
So, but he ain't gonna leave office. It's gonna be bad in the book, the history book. Scoot up.
Hey guys.
They did Clinton like that too. What, Maddie? How are you supposed to be doing? Today is wash day, you guys. Well, actually, we're a week behind. But I just can't take it no more. She just going to school looking a hot mess. She be in there really trying too.
Because you never want to do it. Ooh!
Ooh, sorry, big head. First thing we're going to do is strip her hair real quick.
I'm not a stripper.
Move your hands.
It's too much.
You forgot something.
And this is just suave.
Oh, this feels good.
She likes strawberry. Quit.
Oh, sorry.
Let me get a good lather first. Quit. This is going to be the best time. So I got to record you in your hair that all the time because normally you be up in here crying and acting a fool.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I don't cry.
Yeah.
But you act fool. That strawberry does smell good though.
Yeah, man.
And no, you can't have none, so get out.
It smells like that strawberry shortcake stuff I used to have.
Stop it. I was just telling you to come get in the rib cage. You can see it too. Now that we've stripped her hair,
So,
the
guys.
suave, we're about to use the Royal Honey. This stuff is so good, y'all.
My hair.
From the Walgreens.
Ooh, my hair is longer than your
I
grandma's.
just read it. You would come over here and read it to the people because I'm trying to hurry up.
Yes, sir.
Girl, close your mouth.
This brand is not your mother's, not natural, and it's the Royal Honey and Kalahari.
Now let's get on my hair.
Ooh, it smells so good. And
Lather.
it softens her hair. It softens her hair real good.
So no moisturizer?
Baby girl, you always need
The only thing is the pumps are suspect.
No, you don't always need moisturizer. Oh, you're scratching my head.
I'm giving
stimulate.
giving you some blood flow because remember we're doing a growth challenge.
Do you want to wash my hair too?
No,
You want to wash mine too?
no, no big kids who can wash their
I'm
own.
a little kid.
You've already had all this.
Mama,
All right,
you're playing games.
you gotta get that beeswax out of it.
It's no beeswax. Mama, you're playing games. Oh, Mom, you're just so excited. I'm so confused. Give me a break.
Girl, it'll come out.
Mama, just stop right there real fast. Stop right there, okay?
Just lay down. Can you close your mouth?
No,
Why?
because I can barely hear.
Mahogany.
Oh, Mama, it's really in my ear.
Is you gonna die?
Yeah, because I can't hear. And then you're going to be mad.
Micaiah! Come here. Don't
Take water
go.
on, please. You're playing with me. I can barely get up. Mama!
Madeline Grace.
Look, this matches my cookie feet.
Mataya! All you gotta do is TikToks all day. Sit your asses down and get in here.
Why are you farting in stinks? She knows it. That's why.
And you know the video is going.
And I don't care, turn at me.
Well, you better.
It's not funny.
And this is the conditioner, you guys. The pumps are suspect, so keep that in mind.
Please don't get wrong.
Sit your head up, girl. Who's being around? Be a whooping. Nobody wants to do this either. I don't want to do it either.
So don't do it.
Well, who else gonna do it?
Nobody! It's gonna stay dry until my hair fall out.
Why would you want to do that? You want me to shave it off?
Yes. I want to be like the one girl.
What one girl?
The one.
Huh, be quiet.
The girl with the blonde hair.
What girl?
Oh my God.
Mahai, go give me that shampoo comb.
Where's it at?
A big, and you know where the combs are? You know where the combs are? Get away from me! You need to cut it out. You guys are working my last nerve.
Cut it out! Cut it out!
No, not
Cut it out! Cut it out! Cut it out! Cut it out!
What you looking at? You see what I'm doing? Because it's almost time. You're 9 years old. It's almost time for you to start washing your own hair.
Cubic.
See that?
No!
Scoot back down.
Please,
Scoot
no!
down some.
Shh. Mama, no, not the comb.
Hush. It's not going to be as bad. Because we got conditioner on it.
It is just
As long as she doesn't miss you.
Can you move? Can you move?
Yeah, I moved.
Now you can see how good this conditioner is. It combs right through it.
No, does it?
Well, you would be screaming. Turn to the side. You are hard-headed. You know that? And that's the last position I would want to be laying in. Because I would knock your head to the wall.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
That
Gotta get in the middle to the scab here.
Throw that back like a cat teeth.
Mahogany. Hyper.
I wouldn't like.
Hyper.
I would like you not to call my name again. Okay.
I would like you to get your own hair. Hyper, please. Get your
Okay, my hair's been washed. Combed.
All right, so we have washed her hair, conditioned her hair. We plaited it up. We're going to just let it sit here for about 10 minutes, and then we are going to blow dry it out. So I want you to see how short it looks now, the shrinkage.
But this is only when my hair's washed.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. But your hair is so soft. And you need to be careful of your facial expressions. Stop. Be still. smells so good and fresh. All right, you guys, so we're about to get ready to blow dry this hair real quick. Sit up. I used to didn't want no heat on her hair, but no, I don't. It's
Now she
easier
don't
to manage.
care.
But we don't get it that often, do we?
Huh?
We don't get it
Oh,
that
look what I made in class.
Show them what you made in class. That's not me. You gonna put it on the tree?
Yeah. Yo, look at my nail. It's orange and with the glitter on it. Let me show y'all this.
Oh my god. That is the carrot to the snowman's nose. Hurry up and show them so we can finish.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a long video. Alright, bye. Alright, so we have our hair blow dried. Come on.
And then yo, she's like, yeah.
What do you want me to do to it now?
I want you to do the 2 French braids.
2 French braids? Okay. So I'm going to put some oil on it, which is this extra virgin olive oil here.
Hey, pick it up. You see it?
And then I'll style her hair. All right, you guys, so we are all done. This is she wanted her little go-to because it's easy. It don't take much time. So, ready, go forward. Just 2 French braids, turn around with a side deep part. And these back here, you just take a pin, bobby pin, and just bobby pin right on up, honey. We good to go. Turn around. And we got our little baby here. It's not too much, just a little teeny bit. All right. Get in the camera.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. All right, you guys. So tune in to the next video. We are popping these videos out. So we appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.